Okay, I'm live again, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Am I gonna go live twice again? I don't know. It seems okay now, like there's one live stream up. Something buggy happened when I was in my creator studio. I was trying to change the title, and I'd never seen it before. It just kind of bugged out. Let's see here. Make sure I'm good, y'all. All right. Yeah, it was like I had one tab open already with the old stream, and I don't know what happened, man. All right. Give me a second. Okay, it's weird. Okay, sweet, man. One live stream up right now, as it should be. It bugged out. I didn't even know you could actually live stream twice, right? I didn't know that was even a thing. So, there you go, man. Anyway, hello? Is anyone even here anymore? I don't even know, dude. Okay. Yeah, it's all Craig Wright, y'all. It was Craig Wright. Blame him, okay? What if this is the bottom? I highly doubt this is the bottom, dude. Okay. What's up about Matt W, dude? Took Crypto Capsule, Dan Stylus. Are we gonna be kangs or peasants, man? What's up about Gareth Passage? Coming in from South Africa. Good to see you, dude. Pablo, it's weird, dude. I don't know, it bugged out. It's all good now, though. Just user error, I guess, is what it was. So, no big deal. Double notifications? That's weird, dude. I had something to do probably with what I did. I was taking precautions and stuff. I had to do some things, and it might have bugged out that way, too. Anything glad you like the music? King Logan says he got a Bob Ross Chia Pet. Excellent. So Bill Battles. Jalen. Real Mike. Hello, man. Hi, Thea. Still overall bear market. Exactly. Crypto Capsule. Yep. What's up, Jonathan Krause? Why is crypto going up? Who flipped the switch? I think it was, look at mine. You had daily bullish stuff. You had 4-hour bullish stuff. It happens, all right? Just like here, it happened. We had the same type of stuff, right? We had coinciding variables, had all these things telling us we could have been kangs, and we became kangs, all right? Became kangs. Kryptonia whipped cream on top of Mitch. What? Under that canned S. Kryptonia, man. I just don't get it, man. Alright. What's up, Naka Chips? Liam Ivy, Shalon, Peroni, welcome. Marcus Jung, Jack Brown, Manolo, holy crap. What's up, y'all? John Lauro, Brent Jaggers, PJ, hello, man. It's called a bull run. Kappa, right? I'm getting hacked, man. Extreme Bill Hunt, I'm getting hacked, man. Oh my god, I don't feel so good. What's up, Ollie? Good to see you, dude. Mr. Ollie, man. Ollie a bitty. Miami boy, hello. So, y'all, I just got, this is all weird, man. I never cut the red wire. Voltaire, that was it, dude. I accidentally cut the red wire. Hacked! Yeah, man. Make sure. Nope, still not hacked. Okay, still okay. Still okay. No 2 live streams anymore. So it would have been real scary if you're like, hey, Mitch, there's 2 live streams and there's someone else in an anonymous mask on the other one. Now that would have been cause for concern, dude. That'd have been nuts. All right. Scary stuff.
Your favorite cannabis stock? What goes due for another pump?
None right now, dude. If you noticed the market, Texas sports fan, I'm sure you have. If you're asking me that question, what Tilray fell another 13% today. Okay, and then we're saying we can look at Tilray. How about we'll look at Tilray? Because it's got my last name in it, dude, right? Let's put Tilray on the list. But yeah, Litecoin is it due for another run or another move up? We'll look at it. How about that? How about I don't answer randomly? We'll actually look at the chart and talk about things, all right? Retraces, where we are, where we could go, all that stuff. Okay. Thanks, dude. 333. Texas sports fan. He loves them all, man. There's a lot of Texas sports out there, but he's a fan of it all. Rivalry games. In-state rivalry games are the absolute worst days of Texas sports fans' life. Okay, man? He's so conflicted, dude. All right, this is Texas sports fan when any team from Texas plays another team from Texas. What? Where is it, man? Well, I got this, dude. What? Oh my god. You can't tell me this, man. Why is it not finding it? Dude, it's like not popping up. What's going on, dude? Oh yeah, this is Texas sports fan when there's an in-state Texas sporting event. Oh my god, it's a rivalry. Who do I pull for? Alright, sorry man, had to do that. Too much computing power, HB man. Yeah, dude, I guess we just, computer took over, man. When live stream, when not live. When dual live streams, Blue Gens, man. What's up, Princess Riley? She says, yay, it's aliens. Yes, Zed, man. The strangest dream. I'm just making sure everything's cool, calm, and collected. Okay, it seems like we're still okay. For now. Sorry, I gotta get everything reset up. Alright, whatever. Kind of. That was seriously weird. Again, it was something I did differently that I had not done before. First, and I can't even remember what it was. Like I noticed something weird when my title the title of my stream did not change when I updated it. I might have hit enter or moved too fast. It didn't save, but it did save at the same time, and they both went live. I didn't even know. Y'all, is that something you can do? That means I could set up a 24-hour like chart stream and go live on the other stream, right? Is that possible? What's up? Is Julia here? Nuh-uh. I don't see her. I don't see Julia, man. There's Julia. Oh my god. Those keys X crypto times crypto. Edweez, you need to sleep, man. Well, get some sleep, dude. No need to tell us, dude. You're free to do as you please. Well, this music is too loud. Sorry, I'll turn it down. That's what you meant, right? Jeez, man. That's crazy, dude. I can't tell, man, because the song's trolling me right now. The song will be like no bass, and like the bass will start pumping, and then it's like way louder than I need it to be. Real fun there. All right. How were you king and now you're a peasant? How can you be a peasant today, Edward, man? Were you shorting? Were you shorting when on the daily we had our third low and we were making positive levels? We were making levels of positive momentum. Which chat am I reading now? Which chat? I'll get it, man. Oh yeah, man. Doubles. JWC. Look at Tronkinator after Litecoin, right? Louisiana Kangs. J Talks Crypto. What's up, dude? Carver Crypto. Hello, man. It's pronounced Young. Oh, sorry, Marcus Young.
Tickle Horns, Cowboys, Rangers, Maps, Stars F, all the others.
But when the Cowboys and the Longhorns are playing. Ugh. Of course, man. And there, yeah, the cap was there too to make. Like, I know they're in different leagues. Okay, I know, but we were kidding. We're having fun. Thanks, dude, for the 333 repeating, of course. Tronkinx in the jar. Tronkinx in the jar. The Illuminati don't want this knowledge, man. I should really do the 24-hour live stream. That's a great idea. Oh, dude, I don't know if it's real. I think that was literally bugged. I don't think you're, like, literally able to do 2 live streams on a channel at the same time for reals. All right? I don't think so. The alt-verse was better than the other Prodigy? Well, I'm sorry, dude. I'll do better in the other universe next time. What's up, Son Deep? If you're a long-term buy and hold Bitcoin, is it go time? Nah, probably not, man. Probably not. Look, you can clearly, this is just zoomed in. Like, zoomed in. You zoom out, man. Oh my god, seriously bearish, dude. Seriously bearish, alright. But, I mean, there was an opportunity to go long here with a low risk, high reward ratio, whatever. So, they were all there. They were all there. And we just decided to take a shot on Ripple, not so much Bitcoin, which is fine, right? The Ripple was showing even more bullish signs, okay? So yeah, speaking of Ripple. Ripple, man, Ripple. Kangs, dude. I mean, not really, but you get it, dude. You get it. Look, we had this beautiful downsloping channel, and we broke out. And then the volume came in, right? We had a move up, downsloping consolidation, just huge move to the upside. All right, largest spike of positive momentum we've seen since late November. We had the 4-hour MACD divergence, the RSI divergence, wonderful. Look, man, you're like, Ray, why didn't you use the previous little swing high here, man, or this one? Why? Because all I had to do was look at the daily and it set me free. It set me free, man. There was no discernible swing high on the daily. Do you understand, man? Nothing here looks like a swing high until this is it, man. This is the highest high, and the impulse down, the move down, and we're beginning to retrace. We broke out. We had the bullish divergence on the MACD. Oh my god. Jeez, man, this is so annoying. Having to do this. Why can't it just... I don't know. Why wouldn't it just why is there no option to automatically be visible on the time scale that you choose on your oscillators? So like if I only want to see my trend line on my oscillator, why can't I just default set it to like only, you know, chart on the time scale you're on? Like that should be an option. We need to contact TradingView and be like, dude, for real, this is weird. This is weird. No one ever wants to draw a trend line on the 4-hour and see it on the daily on an oscillator. I'm sorry. No one wants to do that, dude. TradingView. Quality of life. Very close to that 200 MA. 37.3 cents. Currently sitting at 35 cents. When just 2 days 2 days ago we were at 28.6 cents, man. That's a tremendous rise in price. So where were our targets? We had a few of them, right? We would think it would be common for us to run up to 39 cents, 42 cents, or 45.9 cents, 46 cents, whatever. These are the common retrace levels if you are truly breaking out, and it seems like it's very real. Okay, so good stuff, Ripple, man. Good stuff. Okay, dude. Pattern development's what we're looking for. We are overbought. We're currently sitting at 76 on the RSI. That is high. That is high. We have not seen 76 on the RSI since the top, right? Top of that downslope channel, which was November 6th. All right, so we're talking like 40 days or so. We've not been this overbought, all right? Last time we were overbought like this, that was it, dude. Scrubbed out. So you have a 39 cents hopefully. What would stop you from getting even 38 cents or 39 cents at the 382? Your 200 MA at 37.39 cents. Okay. Let's be Kane. Come on, dude. 50% retrace. Charles Dow will be so happy with a 42.5 cent move. All right. Us being at that 42.5 cent area. And then we can do whatever we want after that. Who cares? All right. Dow's theory, man. Ethereum's theory is get wrecked for all of 2018. Okay. So this right here, anchor point 1, 2, and 3. And really, we had a parallel channel, but then we changed it from the parallel channel to the equidistant channel. And when I did that, I was astounded to see so much more respect on the 75 and got a little bit on the 25. All right. So it just looked to line up very well. And as you can see, it's we've never been able to break the 75% trend line. And we're right at it again, right? Nice volume spike, bullish convergence on the MACD and RSI, but you got a little bit overbought at 73. We're currently sitting at 66 right now, so not overbought. Maybe it looks like maybe on the 60-minute we're forming a pennant or something. Not really. Not much of a, not much of a pattern. I mean, you're making a lower high than previous high, but you just bullishly engulfed last 60-minute candle. Right. Not sure if we'll get anything. Just messing around with the 60-minute time scale. Okay. We'll see how we hold this. All right. This is how it's going right now. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the top, and just 3 on the bottom. Heart line respect right there. It looks like you're trying to hold the heart line as support when it was once resistance. All right, so we'll see how this plays out. Again, this is a 60-minute little channel here. All right, nothing that special. Retrace wise, we broke above the 236, and we're at a horizontal line resistance. It was at one time a support back from 2017. I think it was May 5th of 2017. 96.17. That's where we've stalled. Let's see if we can get a more well-established pattern developed, and then maybe we make a measurement of the upside. That'd be great. But understand the top trend line is 102 to 100, depending on how fast we get there. All right. But expect some turmoil at $98. That's the 382 and overhead resistance back from December 9th, right? And close to December 8th. The price right, I think double topped right there, right? So. That's it, dude. Awesome. Let's go to Litecoin and then Ripple, alright? Okay, steep down sloping channel, right? From the swing high to swing low. We are only at a 23% retrace, but we also did a swing high to swing low to see if we can get some confluence. We are currently at a confluence zone between the 236 and 618. All right, right here, and that's right at the 200 MA. This critical areas of resistance, gonna be tough to break this. All right, pretty tough, but you can see why we made a move to the upside. Right, we had the down sloping channel. We broke the down sloping channel. We had the bullish divergence on both oscillators, very clear. You can see it charted. All right, just like before. 1, 2, 3, broke to the upside. 1, 2, 3, broke to the upside. Triple MACD, triple RSI, bullish divergence. You got the same thing. There's the upside. That's it. So if you use the minor swing high to swing low, you've already made a 50% retrace. You actually made a 62% retrace. So you could be done here. But if we're talking about you look at the daily, the major swing high is up here from November 6th. You've only retraced 23% of the way. You could go much higher to $35. But again, 200 MA here, not going to be easy. It will require Bitcoin to move up more. All right, you got to get Bitcoin moving up more to get Litecoin to go up more. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Litecoin seldom doesn't follow Bitcoin. The only time it doesn't follow Bitcoin is when it dumps harder than Bitcoin, right?
Why isn't anyone tipping? Can I get a Leroy E. Jenkins?
There you go, Texas sports fan. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. The drunk connection, the German. Chat, I hope I don't get banned for this. I won't show my feet. I showed people in Discord. Who cares? But look, man. Yeah, show my leg. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Monero socks, dude. Monero socks. Love it, dude. Freaking love it. I posted something in Discord earlier, but I don't know, man. I guess people are a little sore. And we'll actually look at XMR. Alright, I'm not going to wear the socks and not chart it tonight, okay? So, we'll definitely look at it. Okay. Whew. Okay, man. Okay, Tron Connect. Apollo Connect. Pundi Connect. Benito Connect. Rising Wedge Connect. Okay. Unreal, right? Just continuing to upslope, continuing to contract on price. What is upsloping price contraction? It is what we call a rising wedge, and it is bearish, man. Okay. We know how to get the measured move. The widest areas of the wedge from right to the downside or upside. Seems to me that we're continuing to lose our positive momentum, making higher highs, slightly higher highs, over and over again. RSI, though, kind of invalidated, right? Which kind of staying strong, not really getting exactly what we're looking for. All right. I mean, from this high to this high, we are making bearish divergence. That's for sure, but candle body hasn't closed yet. This is the 4 hour. Alright, so you're getting it, man. Dude, it is a matter of time now. You are approaching the very top of this channel, this equidistant channel. Alright, forget the downsloping. Alright, man. We broke out of that. And we did nothing. False breakout, back tested, then dumped. Thanks, Bitcoin. Really, what does Tron Connect have to do with it? It was Bitcoin, man. Since then, we found a bottom and busted the upside downwards from that beautiful, beautiful rising wedge. It's just staying irrational longer than others can stay solvent as it just continues upsloping, man. Remember, this is like the fizzy lifting drink area. Okay, you're just running out of room. You're going to get your hand cut off. Grandpa Joe, bad influence. Don't let anyone tell you that Grandpa Joe was an actual good influence in that movie. He's actually kind of a bad guy. If you've seen the movie, come on, man. Really? He like lays in bed. Grandpa Joe lays in bed like forever. He's bedridden, but can somehow get up off his lazy butt to go to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory with him. Alright. The fizzy lifting drink, peer pressure, and then at the end, trying to screw over Willy Wonka and give Slugworth the everlasting gobstopper. Oh, what a terrible person, man. What the... I mean... Since we're talking about rising wedges, we had to get into that. All right, so if you don't like that, I'm sorry, man. Just do the math though. He's really kind of the antagonist of maybe him and Slugworth. Slugworth was actually a good guy.
Adding 400 cc's of saline to our boss health. Tittykin next.
Oh my God, Tittycoin. Wow, we have what is that? 6815 cc's. Shouldn't it be LCC and not LLC? Limited cubic centimeters. Thanks, pros, man. Much love, dude. Much love. But can someone bat me up on this? I feel like I've been taking crazy pills. And I didn't use this. I left this alone. I liked the way everything lined up when I used anchor point 1, 2, and 3, and then this was my 4th top anchor point. It just made a lot more sense than using this one up here. Alright, so I think we're soon approaching that upswing resistance. 2 different trend lines. Okay, so divergence is there. RSI still got it in the short-term tail end. Right. So if price is down, once it happens, it'll be like 47, 48. All right, let's just keep going. What is that? And your many movement. Alright, okay. CWG, man. That was for you, man. Okay. Just, it's crazy, dude. It's great. Just keeps on going, man. You think it would dump. I mean, it just looks so pretty, too. Anyway. What's some chat? Excuse me. What's up, Shalon Peroni? Oh, welcome back. Yeah, sorry, a crazy glitch in the Matrix. Wardrobe malfunction, alright. Sure, this is a great place to hang out, dude. Hey, what's up, Crypto Yeti Man? TA all day? TA with Mitch Ray all day. It rhymes, man. Alright. You're still poor after holding, Edward, man? After a 30% gain, dude? Sorry, dude. What, missing dirt? What do you mean, Benjamin, man? Sorry, I'm just getting through this. You're still pushing John Legend? Do it, man. Gotta turn this fan on. Super hot. Hey, Jans Farina, what's up, dude? Dang, dude, Tron. There you go, Crypto Red Eye. How you doing, dude? Chaz Garcia, man. Oof. Y'all are taking me on an Ethereum run, aren't y'all? Oh my goodness, they look super duper scrubby. No, I get it. I get why you might want that. Yeah, we can put that on the list. Sure. I don't think I've ever looked at it. All right, I got you down. EB. Okay. You're gonna get a huge glass of vodka and smoke. Be careful, Zed. There, man. Don't put too much pressure on your liver. It's only Monday night. God dang, dude. Look, still going. Highest highs of this run, right? We haven't seen prices this high since October 8th, man. Good for you, Tronkin, dude. Privacy socks. You can't show feed on YouTube. No, not on YouTube. No, I don't think so. Or Twitch. Monera's at the $40 range. Yeah, give me a sale. Leo Plot. Give me that sale, dude. You had a foot fetish till you saw that. There were no feet involved. It was just kind of my legs or shins or something. Thanks, Benton. Wow, I'm behind. Trying to catch up. Jonathan, you got some Trons, man. Well, you're Troning hard. But hey, look, man. Down here, the pattern, the coinciding variables. Kind of blah. Sure thing, JWC, man. Good to see you. Uncle Joe's a scrub, the great-great-grandfather of Jay Snip. Again, I don't know who that is. I just probably need to Google that, I'm sure, probably. Yep, Grandpa Joe has zero integrity. What kind of influence is that on a child, Julia? I'm just saying, here we are. Here we are. Drunk Connect. Drunk Connect. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping. Yep, you sold the wife, mortgaged the kids, got your ticket, and all strapped in. Sounds like a Christmas carol. Alright. Should we do Christmas caroling for crypto or something? We'll see. What were people saying about the other thing? Uncle Joe is a welfare, freeloaded, unemployed, on disability and workers' comp, but magically he can jump out of bed in an attempt to scam the great Wilson, Wanka, and the orange midget slaves, dude. No, man, they're not. They came from a faraway land, alright? They're treated well, according to Willy Wanka. Or Willy Wanka, excuse me. Hey, Trent Harris, how you doing, man? Oh man. Oy, you wanna look at some oy again? Familiar? Yeah, dude. Oy. I'm gonna look at that pot stock atrocity real quick. Okay, man. Alright. We're gonna set an alert up here. I have an old alert up here. What the? Alright, anyway. Good luck, Tron. Tilray. Sorry. Your wedge. You're breaking out of your wedge. You're down 12.3% today. You filled a gap. Expected. What was that? What was that red line you have here? That red horizontal line was the rising wedge measured move. We finally hit it, man. We finally did it, man. Alright, so I can't remember who it was we talked about. Is that a rising wedge or a falling wedge? It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're out. Okay. 4 hour doesn't look too good. There's no divergence. Bearish engulfing candle on the daily. Pretty terrible. Guess what, man? 886, 53.19. That is a gap fill. Guess what? There's another gap fill at 43.56. Dude, we could go much further if we wanted. So your next targets for the gap fills: 53.19 and 43.56. All right, that. And why is it not showing up here? That's weird. My magenta horizontal line is not working. Maybe we'll eventually we'll get that bullish divergence, but dude, not now. Okay, we're continuing to build that negative momentum. Tomorrow could be even higher spike. All right, but bearish engulfing close on a daily on a gap fill. Meh. Good on the gap fill, but not good to ever see a bearish engulfing breaking some sort of down sloping support. All right, so let's see if we can get a false breakout. Let's see how the macro works tomorrow, but go figure. Pot stocks not doing well when the major indices are getting wrecked. Oh wow, man, I'm so surprised by that, dude. All right. The only good news I think you have is the volume's abysmal on the move down, but whatever. Whatever, man. Okay. Tilray, this is my favorite pot stock, I guess. I don't really know, dude. Okay, let's see here. Next one. Alright, let's go to XMR in honor of my socks. Someone was also saying we never cover Monero, man. Or we don't give it enough love or something. I'm like, okay, I agree. Put on my Monero socks. Well, I think they said that. I don't remember the time frame. Alright, whatever. But downtrend, clear downtrend. Alright, just no good, man. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. Look what happened when we got up to, we false broke out and dumped from Bitcoin. Alright, what happened in the short term, midterm, whatever, very, very, extremely large, whatever, symmetrical triangle, broke out of it. Measured move was at 12,554. Yeah, we've got as low as 11,612. Bounced, but as you can see, still within the parameters of this downsloping channel, breaking out of that triangle. So gotta love the TA being respected on the measured move, but fell below it, and now we're just, what do you do in a bear trend, right? You stable on a 4-hour time scale, right? Or daily, whatever. You test the 50 or 20 as a resistance, and you fail. As you've seen, look how we've done it so long. Failed to sustain price above the 20, failed above the 50, failed, and possibly failing here. Okay. Good news though, like a lot of other cryptos, low on price, low on price, higher levels of relative strength, and of course, wow, it looks like a lot of the others, but it's not performing as well as some others, right? Like Ripple and Litecoin and Bitcoin, they had much more formidable moves to the upside, whereas XMR are just making a very clear lower high on no volume. Look at the volume that came in on the selling. Now breaking the upside just looks like just floating along. All right, but we'll see how it goes, man. Any daily stuff that we could see? Yeah, you got a little bit of daily bullish divergence, low on price, low on price, right? Nice doji there. We're kind of reversing. Very far away from that 20-day moving average, 13,199, which puts you right up at that August 13th low. Dude, you're making, like, I know it's Binance, and I'm sure there's more data on other charts, but dude, like, since November of last year, I mean, your all-time lows on this chart. Dumpster fire. It's been a dumpster fire. It's not been good, man. Hey, dude, guess what? Bullish divergence on the RSI on the daily as well. Wow. Well, we got our bump to the upside, but this is about it so far. That's very, very weak. Get it? There's your Monero. Congratulations. We don't, I mean, if it is a real retrace, okay. If we're gonna say, hey, man, this is it, dude. This is it. I just know, man. Okay, XMR from your clearly discernible swing high, major swing high, right back from November 6th to the swing low. We have not even come close to a 23% retrace. So we don't even really know if this is the major swing low yet. Not really. You really don't know until you're hitting that 23% retrace, okay, which is 13,082 up here. We can break that. Hey, that's cool, man. I think that's expected. I think if this really is a swing low, we should be at least seeing 13,000, man. Just because that's the 20 MA, 20-day moving average, a critical resistance, and it's a 23% retrace. That's like nothing, dude. Give me a break. Give me a freaking break. All right, man. That's it. Monero. Peasants. Cool, dude. Let's move on. CMT to ETH. Okay. Again, I've never seen this in my life, right? So it's like, hey, we have some data, man. We have some data. All right. Clearly can't do anything there. All right. And there's multiple things we could do. We could keep it simple. We could probably find a way to include all this here. I think it makes sense just to include this right from your October 8th level. It's high to low. I think it makes a lot of sense there, right? Let's see how this will go, man. This is certainly the way it was going to go, right? I mean, we anchor point from the bottom 1 and 2, and then we had 1, 2, 3 up here. False breakout. Oh my god. I wonder, inverse head shoulders almost. We broke a neckline. If we had target, I don't think so. But let's see, man. Let's see where we fibbed. Was it a 382? We hit the 382, like literally touched it, and then dumped, right? We hit our common retrace. As soon as we touched it, we said, see ya. We have fulfilled our destiny. And have since fallen to extremely lower lows. Okay. My god, man. Alright, we're going to leave this channel alone. And Ray, what do we do now, man? What do we do with our fibs? Let's get some fib extensions. I think we're probably still kind of screwed on fib extensions. It might be a 1618 here. Low to high. Okay, you're below the 1414. Your next target is 23,724 ZERs or Zeds or something weird, alright? Whatever the thing is, not Satoshis. Alright, so look how you're using that 20 MA as a resistance, over and over and over. Right now you are. Terrible. But hey, good news. Good news. Low on price, lower low on price. High lows, low strength. Oh my god, I feel like a freaking record. Same thing, man. Low, lower low, lower levels, negative momentum. This is bullish. Bullish stuff. Do we have any support? Yeah, we're approaching critical supports. Support's back from August 8th. August 3rd. Yeah, man. Alright, so let's think about it. We got the support, the divergence on both oscillators. That's 3. Not bad. Do we have anything on the daily? Yeah, dude, we got some MACD bullish divergence on the daily. How about that, man? Alright. But on the daily, you only have 2 coinciding variables, right? You're making bearish convergence on the RSI, but you were oversold with MACD bullish divergence. So, hey, man, not too shabby. Not too shabby. I think this could be this is a discernible swing high on the daily. We could fib this here probably. All right. So how are we gonna play this? Let's just say, hey, man, we're just gonna go long on CMT to Ethereum, whatever. One could take a shot here if they wanted, or one could wait and be patient for 23,872 right down here, right? August 8th. You can have as tight of a stop as you want, whatever, reasonable. And let's go ahead and let's assume the swing low is here, right? Go from that high to low. If this was the bottom, man, oh my god, we call the bottom, we're so good. Which, you know, this is not true, we don't know. You could retrace right there. Okay. So let's say we broke down and bottomed here, for real, bottom for real here. Yeah, your target's just about the same. Okay, that's how you'd be playing a reversal with daily divergence, RS, and then 4-hour bullish divergence of both oscillators, and the critical support. All right, could be a nice area to turn it around. All right, that's it. So that's how you would try to play CMT to ETH. It's in the games or something. Satisfied? Hello? Okay, so hey, time for your local needs. Bitcoin. The Bitcoin project. Alright, man. We're local on the leads though, by the way, so it doesn't look like it's doing much anything. Got the 60 minute. There you go. Maybe forming a pennant. Maybe forming a bull flag. All right, we don't know yet. Could be forming a Bart Simpson, man. All right. Clear bearish convergence. I'll tell you this. On the 60 minute, you break to the upside, you're going to be showing yourself some pretty severe bearish divergence at some point. Even if we run up all the way to 3,700. All right, we're still going to be making lower levels of positive momentum probably than our previous levels. We're in negative territory on the MACD, right? So you don't believe in this pump, Greg, man, but it's right there. It's right there, man. It's green. You have to believe it's there. Won't somebody think of the children? Exactly, Julia Goskuski. Vermicious canines, Whatley. If the US dollar strategy, of course, Bitcoin's gonna see a benefit from that.
Is that a joint?
Hey Mitch, what's good in the hood? Can you throw us a trade setup tonight? Thanks in advance.
Betty bet it, man. Can we reverse back time and just take a look at CMT to ETH, man? Did we not just do that? Or am I crazy, man? Am I crazy? Thanks for the 420. Dude, yes, man. Alright. If you need me to go back to the CMT, I can definitely do that. But I think we just went over that trade setup. Right? Anyone else? Thanks, dude. We'll see, Brent Jaggers, man. That sounds quite speculative, right? The biggest crash since 1930. Next war to reconfigure one world currency. Dude, that sounds nuts, man. I don't know if I'm ready for that, okay? Capitalism. That's right, dude. Can't look it. Only because Grandpa Joe saw dollar signs in those Wonka bars. Don't let him fool you. He's all about that easy. Yep. It's true, man. What's up, Pixel Box? Glad you made it. Yeah, seriously, let's not give Grandpa Joe the benefit of the doubt, okay? He's old, so you want to respect your elders. It's the right thing to do, right? But sometimes you just don't, okay? And that's based on people's actions. Oh my god. Hold on. Got him. Just bear with me, man, okay? Just doing chart stuff over here. Alright. Got him. Precious. We got him listed.
Hey Mitch. Hope you're having a good day. Can we look at CGC please?
Yeah, Rami, sure. Yeah, CGC. Took a look at it right after this, the look on the lates or whatever. So Bitcoin making the lower high than the previous high. Gross. Let's see if we come down and test 34.47. Possibility that 20 MA. Let's see, man. Didn't make much of a swing low, did you? 23% retrace, possibly, maybe. That's it. So I don't know, man. 60 minute, all right, 4 hour. Yeah, the bullish engulfing into the bearish Harami at this time. 2 hours and 48 minutes now. And change, whatever. Right. Not sure if we're going to go much higher. We just know from a minor swing high to swing low. We retraced 88% of the way. We had reason to believe we'd be breaking the upside. I don't know if this is it. Very well could be higher. We could break the upside higher. But we don't have any more. The oscillators, they did their job. Now we're waiting. We're waiting for development now. That's what we do. How many billion times do we wait for a move to happen? We talk about the potential for what move, what side we could go to, up or down. In this case, it was we had a higher chance of going to the upside, and we got to the upside, and now we're at the upside. And what's going on? We're waiting now. We wait again. 90% of trading is waiting. All right. Ripple just kind of following Bitcoin with the red, the selling. Trying to get above that 236. Can't sustain prices at all. Not right now. Sorry, man. Anyway, but you couldn't ask for anything nicer than this, man. I don't think. Made some adjustments and just saw this and just like, this is beautiful, dude. This is one of hopefully, I mean, this market would hold up to where we could at least hit a 382. If we could hit 382, I might print this out, frame it, put it on my wall. All right, just beautiful, dude. The touch points you get everywhere on this equidistant channel, it's just so nice, man. Oh yeah, we did. What's up, BB? I know you. Why'd you leave, man? Why are you back from leaving? Yeah, I got an alert, Julia, on my XRP to BTC pair. What happened, dude? Oh my god. Let's just get to it. Pop to the upside, man. Come on, Julia. Divergence. You had divergence into convergence. We'll make this white so you don't get confused. Because we made the higher lows. We had lower lows. Divergence into higher lows. Convergence. Bullish convergence. My man. Fantastic. Well, we broke the channel and did a bunch of nothing, right? A bunch of nothing. So let's fib this. Where are we? Probably at a 50% retrace, right? It's almost probably perfect, dude. High to low to 50% retrace, man. We're actually back testing the 50% retrace, man. 9,542. Extremely overbought. At one time earlier on the 4 hour, you were at 81, almost 82. Currently sitting at 78, so very overbought. Largest spike of positive momentum we've seen since November, late November, right when we were up here, man. Wow. That was great, man. You can see the shift in the momentum with the higher lows, right? Look for those higher lows. Look for the lows, the lower lows, the lowest lows, and look for the divergence somewhere on one of the oscillators, and then look for a break to the upside and look for the higher low that is similar. It's almost like a complex inverse head and shoulders, right? Where you essentially have a neckline right here. All right, you got like shoulder, 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 head, shoulder, 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 right? That's just complex inverse head and shoulders. Measure move, not simple. Simple measure move. Just go ahead and do this thing for you. Measure move was hit of your complex inverse head and shoulder stuff, all right? Great, man. Neckline was snapped. No back test, just went up. Good for us, man. Good for Ripple. Gotta love it, man, when Ripple does well, okay? I'm sorry, when you have a working product in this space, there should be a little bit of a kudos, right? Anyway, it's whatever, dude. All right, let's see if we can hold 9,600. Oh, 3% right now. Great, man. Just remember, be careful. It's because we haven't been this overbought since, wow, November 6th. It's been a long time since we've been this overbought. But now with that overbought, we dumped. Then eventually, you know, turn around and ran up again, right? So, overall, though, Ripple is in an uptrend right now. You can clearly see the uptrend. You are in. All right. Nice, man. Let's go, Ripple, baby. Titty Coin LLC is mad, dude. Don't be mad. Julie, that was for you. Satisfied. Sweet Evie, man. Glad you enjoyed it. I just want to make sure Eddie Bennett thought it was okay, right? Oh, the Oompa Loompa is Vermentious Nid. Canid. Oh, it's a Canid, man, right? I got you, dude. I believe in perp, though. Yeah, I believe in the color of purple, yes. It has to be a top 20 trade setup. Hey, man, that's forcing a trade. That when you put criteria on market cap, it doesn't make it easy, right? Likes got hurt in the streaming issue. It's all good, man. Whatever. It's like things happen, dude. You just gotta like what is it? Water off a duck or something like that. What's the saying? You just rolled off. Let it roll off your back like a duck or something weird. Something with a duck. That's all I know. What's up, Hector Santos? You made a much needed. What do you mean you made one? You literally made a much needed car. Kool-Aid Kings. I don't understand, man. But I'm glad to hear it. Certainly glad to hear it was your best day since mid-March. That's awesome, man. Steven Stan, man, what's up, Dad? Probe says, wow, 7.5 million Ethereum contracts liquidated earlier today. If he would have only watched your show and moved it all into Titty Coin, he'd be living large in the Twin J's. Wait, I'm sorry. I understand how Twin G's. Shouldn't it be Trip G's? But would you even have Twin or Trip there? Because it seems redundant, Jeff, man. You would take away the Twin and just have G's, because it's pretty self-explanatory that it is the triple G's, because you're actually making 3 G's, right? You get what I'm saying, maybe? I don't know, dude. Because twin G's, like you do it, that's like 6 G's. Anyway. What is happening? Waiting too long, Zed? Yeah, maybe so, man. Bro, what, baby? What, man? Hey, Bradley, man. Bradley Ava. Good to see you, dude. Hey, O'Sullivan, man. O'Sullivan says, thank you for everything you do. You the Viking, dude. Charlotte, North Carolina. North Carolina. Like the rap song, man. Tired of this super scrub Bitcoin. Let's do big things in 2019. Is that a joint?
Is that a joint?
O'Sullivan, for you it is, man. Okay. Thanks for being here. Oh, don't leave us, Brian Griffin, man. Don't you dare leave us. Okay. Look at what, man? What, Julia? Is M in here? Is Emily here? I don't see her. You pinged her. Repel to Ripa. We don't think that pair exists. Water off a duck's back. There we go, Deemstar. Thanks, James. Thanks, Zed. Everyone knows the saying. I thought I knew it. It was just weird, okay? Weird in my brain. I believe in the color purple. Purple isn't even a real color. It was created by Crayola Crayon Company to make the real color violet. Or solid. What? I feel so good!
The saying is let it roll over your tongue like the way Mitch pronounces Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan. Oh, TTS screwed it up for you, man. You should have misspelled it. Okay, Prebs. Shoot. I'm gonna quit while I'm behind. All right, on this one. I'm not even gonna try again. But I said it right after TTS did. Okay. Saskatchewan. Boom. All right, I got this thing. I think it's finally clicking, y'all. Thanks, Zahid, man. Appreciate it. Wait, Zachary. Drink Zed service, man. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Purple is just a modern rename of violet. Purple Nurple is what I like to call it. Okay, dude. All right. Let's move on to CGC. Sorry. Yeah, the falling wedge. Well, I don't know. I mean, it was. Look at the white space. A lot of white. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you didn't even have 5 touch points, man. But you did have bullish divergence at the bottom trend line, right? I mean, we've been in this channel for a while now, man. We've been in this channel since like 2016 on CGC. It actually has historical data. But remember, this ascending triangle is so beautiful. So beautiful. Hit the measured move at 53.97 and then dumped. But again, we had down sloping price contraction. We broke out and the macro sucks. So I'm sorry, man. It's just not going to be easy. Just not going to be easy making higher highs or hitting any kind of retrace target when the major indices are selling off tremendously. Okay, we've wiped out 14 months of gains on the S&P 500. Yes, you heard me. If you put in money into the S&P 500 14 months ago, as of today, you've made literally nothing. Nothing. Stop losses are important. Managing portfolio is important. You can't just let it sit and ride, especially after we're going into a 10-year long market cycle. We're like 3 months away. 3 months away from a 10-year long market cycle in the stock market, dude. Just come on. Well, I bet this video would get taken down if we play that North Carolina song. Okay, just saying. Shalakalaskawashkawan. Sleepy Cat. Yeah, that's pretty much how you should say it. Sushaskohana. Coolie Kings. I can't do this. I can't. There's too many different pronunciations, too many different dialects around the world, alright? It's crypto. It's Saskatchewan. Nice. Then, yeah, dude, I don't know, man. It all bugged out. It bugged out, man. Oh my god, Litecoin's back to $118 a coin, BB? What? Say it and say it. What's up, Anthony Littlewood, dude? Who could ever even believe Litecoin at 118? I would look at that and just like, you added one too many ones. Okay. Take out the one and it seems way more realistic. Okay. Put on this. But with the CGC, look, man, you had that pattern and what you were supposed to do. All right. High ASL. I can't even see if this is. Yeah, there's that wick. All right. From the high to low, a 23% retrace is right here. Okay. 35.52. We actually ran up. No, we never did it. This is the bottom. Ran up. Dude, you retrace like 15% of the way and then just fell again. So that means we very well may not have ourselves a swing low here from December 6th. We could sell off tomorrow and come down and backtest 2631. This downsloping trend line that was once a resistance is now could possibly be a support down here. But you don't want to see that. Look, man, we're falling out of that upsloping channel. All right, that goes back to 2016. It's not good, man. All right, expect pot stocks to suffer tremendously if the macro suffers. All right, expect it to suffer more. That's it. Let's go to oil for P. Miller. Oil. Oh yeah, man. Destroyed, man. Absolutely. Hey, bear trend. We know it's a bear trend, right? Oh my God. We're on our way. P. Miller, man, we're on our way to 1490. What's 1490? Why do we plot this? Okay, man, going back to August of 2002. September of 2001, we're back to those levels. Imagine putting your money into oil. In 2002. And still holding it. And you've made literally nothing. What an awesome place to set your money. It's as safe as cash, man. Brother, man, oh, it feels so good! Titty Coin is still the boss, dude.
Appreciate you, brother.
Bradley Abel, man, I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for the 42 freaking dollars, man. All world, dude. Okay. You're all about them 42s. 42s, man. That's your thing, dude. That's your signature. I remember that one night, you just the 42s, man. It was just carpet bombings. All right, man. Of all those Ethereums in the jar, man. Thank you, brother, man. All right. Sorry, Titty Coin LLC. You do bleed your own blood. And Bradley just made it happen. All right. But Bradley, P. Miller, Probst, friends and family, friends, families, and foes that are out there, right? Because we know, elephant in the room. We know that OIA is soon approaching that downsloping trend line, the bottom, 1453. That 1490 area, we're just 60 cents off, 59 cents off, man, or something. But, you know, expect the 1414, 1390 to play a part too. But I think this is it down here. All right, this is it. You are now, and who really cares? This thing looks like it's done. I mean, you can, we'll look at it, man. Let me see. Was this the week? So this is the weekly. Let me. We do have just a little bit of bullish divergence in oversold territory. And we do have a little bit of bullish divergence on MACD. That's about it. 42's a number, you know it, man. Oh, it feels so good. Titty Coin LLC's been taken out.
42's the number, you know it.
Dude, Bradley, man, thanks for the 4-2s. The 4-2s, man. What's your favorite crypto, man? What's your favorite crypto? All right. So what do you like, man? Okay. Because stuff like that, if you have a signature, we're working on right now a signature, the Zcash, that will be 1212. I think we're just gonna, for probes, we're just going to have the Dallas Cowboys star be really cool. But let's look at Titty Coin's logo, okay? Because I don't know if it's appropriate. We might get wrecked. Hold on, because I know that's Probe's favorite coin. So did I spell it right? Yeah. Hey, look what happens when I type in Titty Coin. It says, "Did you mean Bitcoin?" Because there's no such thing as Titty Coin, man. Little do they know, there is. Yeah, dude, we can't make an emoji of that, can we? We're not making an emoji ball of this, dude. Here's the white paper, dude. It's a big baby! Oh, it feels so good!
Hashtags RB baby.
Baby! Dude, thanks so much for the 3 times. 42. I can make you a much larger XRP for that. You know, like we have the XRP. Anyone tipping between, I think $1, between $1 and $4.99 besides 333, you get an XRP. And you can even clearly see it in the top right of your screen, you know, right below that QR. That is the XRP logo for now. And we can just make it larger for you, dude. The size of what the Ethereums are looking like in the jar. If that would please you, my lord. Thanks so much, dude. Awesome. God. So, B. Miller, man, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. It's just so bearish. So bearish. We did swing low to swing high to get our fib extensions, by the way. Here, from this low to that high. Down here, crack that 1272 like it was nothing. All right. The TA bouncy. What? XRP Mafia says XRP baby. Cool whip. Oh, we could make them bouncy. Yeah, I don't think there's an like, it doesn't work really bad, sprite sheet. Because I guess it would have to be bouncy in the jar too, like bouncing or something. Alright. It is time to go to, I believe, column. Oh, it feels so good!
Extra large XRP, that would be dope. God bless you for everything you do, Mitch.
Dude, bless you, man, and just thank you for the support, man. That means freaking everything, dude, and I'll get it done, dude. I'll get it done. Next time that happens, like, I can't do a mid-show because it takes a little bit of time to go into the variation thing, but I'll do it right after this show, man. Let me jot this down. Create a new variation. Thanks, Bradley, man. Much love. Okay. You have do you like the colors? Would you like the XRP? You notice how it glows like that? Would you do you want any other colors or anything? We try to keep the colors kind of contrasting, and the pink and the blue kind of contrast better. But you just never know, man. All right. Because we have freedom to do our thing, man. All right. We have the technology. Jalen does. Thanks again, dude. We know XRP will go to 36-ish. I don't have my quad screen up. I should. My bad, dude. 36. Let me just go to it real quick. Go to XRP and we'll go to Colo. 36. What would make us stop? I mean, there's some pretty strong resistance right here. Look left, back to late August, early September. That 30. I mean, you're essentially at it. You haven't really touched it yet. But 35.7 cents. That's gonna be tough to crack, man. Especially after just a huge move up like this. Eventually, you're just going to start retracing. You're going to start making some sort of flag. Man, you'd love to see a bull pole, bull flag combination set up here. We'd get another crack at this and run up and hit that 382. That'd be fantastic, man. But remember, you're overbought. I mean, you're trying to get out of overbought territory. You're sitting like 71 on the RSI right now. Okay, so it's just beautiful, man. It's beautiful. You're here for the tatas, but the TATAs. You're not here for the Fixins. Name that show. Okay. One of the best shows ever. Okay. Blessings, Anthony, man. What's up, Greg Morgan? Howdy, dude. Howdy doody, dude. Zedzerbs, it had been doing that past couple weeks. When I got off stream, maybe no more than 30 minutes after stream, we'd be getting a move. Yeah. It was just hit 30K, man. Oh my god. Later, Zed. Hey, Zach Zongo. Well, we looked at Bitcoin already. We've already exceeded expectations on any kind of retrace, right? We had a high to low on Fib, so we hit the 88% retrace, 35.82. I think at this point, Zach Zongo, dude, we want to see a flag of some sort. We want to see some consolidation, right? When you have the impulse, you wait for the impulses to happen, right? And leading up to the impulses, we are given clues by indicators, oscillators, supports, and it could give us reason to believe we could be breaking the upside soon. We got that on Bitcoin on the daily time scale and the 4-hour. XRP, the same thing, daily and 4-hour.
Is that a joint?
Let's get Elon up in here.
Elon! Thanks, Fenton. 112, dude. Alright. I didn't know there were 112 Fentons in the house, dude.
Do your thing on it. I'm sure whatever colors you use, it'll come out great.
Do your thing on it. She actually said thing right. Dude. Thanks so much, brother, man. All right. 42, but I get it. It's like 42.00, right? So it's like 420. Would you prefer anytime you tip, I do, is that a joint? Would that, instead of claps and cheers and feel so good, man? Would you want, is that a joint? Because I just thought about it. I feel like it went over my head like whoosh, 42, right? 420. God. Anyway, dude, here is the beloved XRP. We took a shot on this. We had the breakout, the divergence, everything, the low risk areas, the critical area of support, and it's so funny because it's right around, it's just a couple cents off our entry here, okay? Just a couple cents off. How crazy it is that we made it all the way back down, right? Made it all the way back down to the same area. And then we bounced again, man. And we had a trade set up here, and we had a trade set up here, dude. It feels good, man. It feels good. All right, so that's it on your XRP breakdown. Okay. Yeah, we can go to Gollum coin, whatever, man.
Is that a joint would be dope?
That would be dope. No pun intended on that one, right? You just did that one, and you didn't even realize till right now that you punned the "is that a joint," right? Let me know. Thanks, dude. Much love. I think we can make the Christmas tree a little bit larger tonight. All right, we're getting closer. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 17th. We have, what, just about a week? Christmas tree getting larger. Oh my God. Is that a nice size Christmas tree getting larger? Oh yeah. All right. Feels good, dude. Feels good, man. Thanks, Bradley, dude. Seriously, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm very, very grateful, dude. Thank you. What's up, Randall Schulz? We love you too, Zed, man. What happened, Woman Army? Are you saying goodnight to Zedman? Can I check gold? Let's check Gollum, then gold. Okay. I don't know. I don't... Like, there's like a more zoomed out view. Whoops, what? Where was that? Hold on a sec. Let me, must have another chart up somewhere. That's so weird. It's like not recognizing this monitor. What the heck? Alright, hold on, give me a sec. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna bring this one upstairs. And we'll go with this way. What? Dude. Come on, are you serious? Crazy, man. Crazy. This is what happens when you mess with your monitors and stuff. I never really got it set up though. Alright, hold on. I got this, dude. I got this. Okay, we got this thing, man. Watch this, dude. Watch this. Yeah, baby, yeah. Alright. So, Gollum, you know, zoomed out. Bear trend, right? Bear trends in January. Oh my god, man. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Look what we're doing. You know, just all-time lows, really. I mean, okay, flash crash, fat finger wick, great. But you are making pretty much, without any kind of exaggeration, you're the lowest lows of all time. Gollum. Needs his preciouses. Alright, crazy bullish divergence, right? It looks very, very good here. All right, 1, 2, 3. This does look primed. This does look like primed to pop on the 4-hour anyway. Low, lower low. All right, so multiple forms of Class A bullish divergence on your oscillators. And pattern development, though, I don't think you have really any kind of pattern development. To zoom in, we could probably just do some sort of channel, of course, right? But not really. Doesn't look very good, does it? Just don't know. Nah, man, that sucks. It's just not looking very good. Okay. Okay, not really digging it, but let's do a few extensions anyway. Dude, this is ridiculous. Okay, so you're low to high. Yeah, not the wig. Whatever, man. Not that wig. You're in between the 1414 and the 1618, alright? So you are. It seems like you very well could be poised to break to the upside. Alright. But here we go. Let's see this, man. Alright. Let's, oh. Interesting. Yeah, it doesn't look like a very good wedge, man. I'm sorry. It just still looks like crap. See, but if you use your imagination, whatever, man, you can kind of come up with some sort of scrubby wedge, man. Oh my god!
joint.
The Airbnb of computing power.
Golem, my second favorite project behind XRP, the Airbnb of computing power.
Airbnb of computing power. So like, I can use someone else's PC, their power, their GPUs and stuff for what I want. Is that what you're saying, Bradley? Man, dude, thanks so much, dude, for the 42 big ones. I think, does your HP? Yeah, your HP I think keeps growing every time that happens, right? So you have a 26,350 HP pool right now. And you are now crazy boss right now. Okay, your power grows like Sauron. Thanks, man. Okay, so back to that. Well, you know, either way, man, just add like, even if it's not here, it's like here. Okay, wedge of some scrubby sort. You broke out. You have divergence on both oscillators with a wedge. Alright, so the retrace maybe has begun. Possibly, but still it's a lower high, right? Not really that great. Stupid wick. Let's just do candle body close. Let's do candle body to candle body, alright? We're right near the 236. You should expect the target for any kind of falling wedge. Like in this situation, you'd be looking for no less than, I mean, just for a target of reward to risk. Hey, a 2,000 sat move. You're looking for 78.97. All right, here's your golem. Golem on the breakout. I don't know if we'll get there. Okay, it's just so bearish, man. But look, you're on the tail end of a huge impulse down. You finally got some pattern development, and you broke out of it. And here it is, man. It's telling us impending price action reversal, but we're not making it higher. That's it, dude. So look between 73.39 and 84.55 for us to reverse our price action to the downside because the trend's bearish. That's your golem, man. All right. Sweet. We did it, man. We did it, golem. Musk, man, Musk. Long range crypto. Bradley is the real MVP. Fixins, Jeff. You get no more of my fixins. 30-minute chart. Do I see XRP? Rising wedge. Bearish divergence. Possibly. But hey, man, wouldn't it be expected on shorter time scales, less significant time scales, for us to be showing a little bit of exhaustion after such a tremendous run to the upside? Probably, but we just use these slower time scales because I like seeing pattern development on the slower time scales because they're a lot of times more reliable. Right? So I want to see us form a 4-hour bull flag. But if you want, man, I'll go there for you, dude. What? I see what you're saying, man. But I think maybe we also have just something like this too, right? Ew, gross, man. Maybe that was some sort of ascending broadening wedge. I get what you're doing, man. I get where you're like this, right? You're like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and you broke, right? You broke it already. Oh yeah, dude, you had extreme bearish divergence. Look, high on price, higher high on price, highest high on price. Dude, it was nuts, dude. It was so bearish. Look at that, inexistent positive momentum on higher highs, and you just had this RSI bearish divergence. It was so bad, right? It was so rough. It's so tedious. Why do I have to do this? Why can't I just have a default, right? There you go. Yep. Great. So what would you do in a situation like this? Small, insignificant pattern. Here's your measure move. 32.4 cents. Jose, here you go, man. I don't know why I wouldn't just hold on. Let me just, I gotta get back in the habit of doing the price range. Much easier, dude. There you go, dude. There's your target. Boom. If that help, let me know. How's it? Context. Ow. Oh, throttled. Whew, we're good now. Bundy X'd. Yeah, dude. Thanks, Fenton, man. NVIDIA getting crushed. That's right, dude. That's right, dude. I'm sorry. What they did was folly. Hey, Randall. Hey, ASL. Incur since May of 2017. Excellent, dude. I'm glad you enjoy the stream, man. Alright? Glad you enjoy it. Just look. The power of Kek compels you. Yes. Yes. For the holy water. Just can't tell me your internet went out. Get it together. Just kidding, man. I remember when my internet. I guess it was like at one point when I was starting to fix up the PC and stuff. Doing something. Yeah, man. Internet, like, charters kept going down for maintenance and stuff, like every night. 3 nights in a row. No Twitch sequin? Yeah, man. Sorry, man. We'll get back on there. Just give it time, okay? How are we looking with overalls? I don't look very good in overalls, man. They kind of hurt. They create rashes right here on your traps, collarbone. So I don't look very good in overalls, okay? And they're not very comfortable either. Does that help? Let me know. Thanks. Too much fun, man. Too much fun. So anyway, it's crazy, man. There's so much work I have to put in just so you can't see this on any other time scale. Instead of just blatantly deleting them. All right. One more. Almost done. Almost done. Kings. We did it, man. We did it. Ah, you can't see it, but it's beginning to sell. The bullish engulfing candle is in jeopardy. All right. There you go, though, man. The 30-minute playing well, isn't it, Jose? So, what's up, Dan, man? Sleep well, dude. All right, yeah, and if you're working, dude. Work well, dude. Alright, we'll be with you always, man. You and Melissa. The allergies peoples. Don't freeze up there, okay? It was actually pretty nice today. The weather was pretty freaking good down here. I don't know if y'all got wrecked or not with coldness. Just wasn't too bad. Good music still. Audio level still good, man. Here we go, Ripple beginning to reverse. But we have 2 hours left on the 4-hour candle, man. 60 minute. Whole bunch of blah. Whole bunch of blah. Alright, probably gonna run down to 32.8 cents. Alright. Hey, just got a golden cross on the 60 minutes. Golden cross literally today. Alright. Today. That's weird. It just happened. Whatever. Okay. All right. Hanging man. A 60-minute hanging man is a bearish reversal pattern. You had the hanging man reversal pattern with 60-minute and 30-minute bearish divergence. Bearish divergence, both oscillators. Thanks, Richard, for the sub, man. Appreciate it. All right, that's it, man. I guess that's it for Ripple, man. Guess it's all over. Okay, dude. But yeah, multiple short-term time scales were giving us reason to believe it was time to pull back. All right. Oh, hey, Mr. Spooner, man. Mr. Spooner, man. Here, you can see I just pulled up the little thing, the little tab, side tab tool thing. Look for, I can't remember which one it's under. I have it saved on my hot bar, or hot, you know, my quick bar or whatever. You can't see it on the screen. It's hidden from the viewing eye. Oh, yeah, it's down here. Yeah. Go here, right here. Put this on your favorites. Price range is your thing, man. Price range. Yes, boom. On what the measure move is all about. Quick lesson on what it's all about. There's just measure moves, man. Measure moves everywhere. All kinds of patterns have them. If you join the Patreon, I do education sporadically, randomly in stream. We clip it and post it for the patrons, and so like you get all that education. When I do a specific pattern, you'll learn. You can watch that 5-minute clip, whatever, how long it is, of it, and we go over those measure moves, right? Head and shoulders, bear flags, bull flags, whatever. Ascending riding wedges. Some patterns don't actually have the realest measure moves. Some are a little different. All right. Thanks, Jose, man. Cheers, dude. Hope you're doing well down there, right? You were using the yeah. There's nothing wrong with the. I mean, I like the ruler thing because all you have to do is click shift. But again, it just disappears. I wish I could hotkey it to where the price range would be the hotkey, but you can't do hotkeys. It's stupid, dude. You can't like customize it, man. I would have so many hotkeys, it'd be like I was playing Warcraft again. Okay, man. What's up, Tycat, man? No, just hanging out, man. Yeah, check it out. The price range tool. Too easy, right? Anyway. Dang, dude, I got no water. I don't think I have beer up here. Hold on, man. I've been live now for an hour and 34 minutes. Feel free to hit that like button, that bell, so if you're enjoying the program, man. But I don't have anything up here, man. I'm so thirsty, dude. Holy crap. So thirsty. WoW Classic next year? Yeah, dude. That's not gonna save Activision Blizzard's share prices right now. Stock price, whatever. BRD, BlackRock Dubs. Yeah, but that's not even very legendary. And what was legendary? Uber's Upper Black Rock Spire was Kang's, dude. Alright. Anyway, so sure I got this next thing, man. Oh yeah. Valera Dude, Valera P. Miller. Dumpster fire, right? Alright. Had the also channel, we broke out of it. Meh. Big old meh. Just kind of farting around, disregarding it as a support resistance, right? So the market's really not interpreting it this well. I mean, that well, okay. One thing you didn't take note of is when we did retrace, we brought the upside, bullish divergence on both oscillators, and this is how scrubby it was. That was it. That's how bearish you were. All right, that's how little demand there was. When your divergence played out, it was nothing. So we've dumped again. And where are we? Very, very scary stuff, man. I'll tell you that. For Valero Energy Corp. Alright, man. So I just did anchor point 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. Really kind of 5 on the top, right? We had that crazy breakout velocity trend. Okay, leave it alone. We could have had a channel here, but we already broke it, so we didn't even think about or care about drawing it, plotting it. And now we are in a downtrend, right? And you're literally right at that $70 range, the bottom trend line of the huge equidistant channel you've been in really since February 2010. All right, it's crazy, man. All right, so it's kind of doing though. P. Miller, I'll tell you this. It's kind of doing what Bitcoin's doing, all right? And what I mean is, okay, so low on price, low on price, crazy bullish divergence, but then we made a lower low on price. When we're making lower lows than our previous lows, we actually have positive momentum. Very, very weak for sellers. Sellers are tired. They're trying so hard, but they can't do anything. They're just having issues. And so eventually you'll get a pop to the upside. That's it. It's really not. It's okay, but like that, it did exactly what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin broke the upside, man. That's it. Potato gear. Hey, I love potato gear, man. Just saying. Your logo on the 8s. Here you go, man. Bitcoin, just as it bullishly engulfed, is being bearishly engulfed with 2 hours left on your 4-hour candle. Alright, it looks like we got rectangle stuff developing maybe, right? Go to 60-minute chart, might just look... Check it out. That lower high. Still looks like a lower high. We don't really have a swing low yet, so we can't anchor on the bottom. We don't really have anything yet. All we could do at this point, really, where it's acceptable to have this, certainly is. Okay. That's it, dude. Down slipping, consolidation under the impulse up. That's 1, 2, 3. All you need. Great. Did my thing break? Hello? I think it did break. I think my chat, everything's broken now. That's weird. Alright then. Well, it certainly has been a wonderful show, y'all. I really appreciate everything. Bradley, man. All world. Probst. Come on, dude. Fenton, thank you, dude. Rami, thank you. Eddie, Bet thank you. And Texas Sports Fan, thank you. All right, for the contributions tonight. Means everything. Y'all are my fam. Y'all my peoples. If y'all keep coming back, I'm gonna keep coming back. You got my word. All right. So bad timing, I guess, right? Okay, traders. Nick Robot, man. I'm live. I'm live, giving you your live fix, man. Alright, dude. Okay. Are we cool now? Sorry, dude. We were live for a while, so much love, dude. I'll see you tomorrow. Respect the TA. Peace.